Hi YouTube, Marko with Marko Custom Models today, coming to you outside on my driveway, sitting in a Lotus 7 to unveil. First off, I want to say thank you for the 1,000 subscriber mark, and let's keep those subscriptions coming so we can get more. But for hitting 1,000 subscribers, I got something special. I got a Tamiya Caterham Super 7 model, 1/12 scale. This is a big kit. Also is really nice. It has even little wheel studs to hold the wheels on. I haven't opened this yet. I've been waiting, I've had it for a week. And I also got a Lotus 7 that I'm sitting in right now for my other channel, Roy Marko's Garage, if you want to check that out, see what I'm doing with the real cars. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to unbox this today, and because it's a big kit, my hobby room, the table isn't really big enough to sort of lay it out, so I'm going to do it outside here on this Lotus, and we're just going to have a good time, so let's get to it. Okay, check it out. Here it is, the Caterham Super 7 BDR, which stands for the type of engine that's in it. Dual overhead cam, 12 scale. This is a really detailed model. I remember when I was a little kid seeing one of these in the hobby shop, and I couldn't believe it. The cost was unbelievable. This kit is about $400, and yeah, I went out and bought it. I got a Lotus 7 like you see here, and it's a project car, but this model is going to help me also with the project car to be able to just see how some of the stuff goes on it. This is a really high detail model. So what's neat, we're going to put that together. There's the side. Look at this, all these parts here. Nice detail, aluminum body. There's the engine. The other side of the box is what I ended up paying for it. And yeah, here it is, all aluminum body. The frame is made out of plastic, but it has a metal control arms and stuff like that, according to some of the stuff I was reading. I haven't seen one of these open in real life. I've only ever seen pictures, so let's get to it. I'm going to open this for you. We're going to share this experience together. First time, so here goes. Cellophane is off. Oh boy, this is exciting. Let me just get rid of this. Okay. Open it up. Wow, check that out. Check that out. There's a chrome key here, the headlights and both sides of it. So I'm not building anything today. I'm just going to unbox it and show you all the things in detail. And then we're going to work on this model, and I'll do updates for you. Here's, I'll take it out of the plastic so you can see it. You get lots of detail. It's got a Ford twin cam engine in it, the fuel tank, differential, some these are for the wheels, the brake rotors, calipers on that tree. These parts are all soft rubber, so it's got like a cover on the back, and CV boots, timing belt, looks like. Oh, that's cool. It's all soft rubber parts. Here we have the interior. We got the seats, dashboard, clutch bell housing, radiator, headlight backs. The other side. These are the interior panels. Very nice detail, even the little rivets and everything. This is going to be an exciting build. The wheels, no, they look okay. It'd be nice to have a set of mini lights, but I won't open the bag on this. If you can see the detail, there's the wheels. Look quite nice. This has got fenders on it that are long and a nose cone. So these are modeled in green, so I'm going to paint all this, but if you didn't want to paint it, it's already got the green, and the aluminum body would look pretty good. But We're going to paint that up, of course. This is some seatbelt detail deckling and some dash deckling. This is some sandpaper that Tamiya provides. This is a display stand to put the model on when it's finished. Give you an idea about how big it is. This is the jewelry here. This is all aluminum body panels, just like on the real car, aluminum body. So it's the side panels, the hood, cowl, the tunnel for the shifter and everything. That's really neat. I won't open it up now, but we'll get into it when we do the model. This is for the side exhaust. Looks like muffler cover, it says, yeah. Let's see what's in the box. Inside the box we have tires, screws. This is good, we'll get into this here. These are all metal parts. Looks like the exhaust header and exhaust pipe is made out of metal, and so is the roll bar, like die cast. 5 tires including the spare. Some metal suspension components. That's going to be fun. Some glass as well as some patterns. Get into that. Comes with a screwdriver, a couple of screwdrivers, and some hoses to do some of the plumbing on this vehicle. Here's some chassis detail, chassis pieces, some suspension, things like that. Oh, this is exciting. It's another piece of aluminum and an air filter, set of air filters that say K&N stamped steel. Well, they're stainless. That looks really nice. I can't wait to get into that. That's cool. This is some feels like felt, sticky felt to do some of the interior carpet and stuff like that. It's got some texture to it. This grill is amazing. It's actually like looks like it's soldered together, actual bars and everything. The windshield frame here is actually made out of metal as well. That's really nice piece. Now we get into this box. Oh, there it is. There's the chassis. So in this box we have some clear parts, tail lights, signal lights, headlights, engine block, transmission, and that oh so beautiful space frame design Lotus chassis. That is beautiful. Check that out. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. We're gonna have to get to it and start doing some build up on this, and we'll go through step by step as it goes. So again, thank you for 1,000 subscribers, and you guys have a great day.